Hey folks, got the kayak loaded up. I'm headed out to the western edge of the Texas Hill Country. We're gonna spend a couple days paddling and camping on the river. So let's go. It's time to get on the water and see what we can do.
Water's more clear.
Water's pretty cold.
It is, yeah. I'm not getting water bottle.
Fish on. Here we go. Here, buddy. And there he goes. First little guad. Fish on. There, buddy. A little guad. Come here, buddy. All right. Gotcha. Pretty fish. Look at him. Let's let you go there, buddy. Dang, that wind is whipping, man. Oh, fish on. Here we go. Quad. No. Clouser. This little Guadalupe bass. Let's let you go, my dude. And he's gone.
Bluegill. Put one on my hand. Although that's just...
So Jerrod, how'd you end up sleeping last night?
Not great. Got cold. Had this jacket tucked around my head.
Okay, we're out here on the morning of day 2. What's the plan today, Jerrod?
Break camp, hit the water, catch some fish.
Fish on. Ready? Nothing like catching a little guad in the morning. Fish on. Oh, it came off. It's a tiny little quad. Fish on. Look at this little one. Teen tiny. There he goes. What you got there, dude?
It's Guadalupe. Guadalupe. Beautiful.
There you go. Fish on. Okay, got a little bluegill. Let's let you go, buddy. Ooh, he's got a fish on. There you go, man. Nice.
Top water, baby.
Nice quad. There he goes. Okay, so we just spent all day out on the water. Jerrod, how's the fishing been on this trip?
Lights out.
So we're totally exhausted from fishing all day. We got camp set up, got a fire going, and we're done. So see you later.